Alam mo kaya ang sumpa mo sa akin na ang pag-ibig mo ay sa hindi magmamahal. Kung nais mong matanong, buksan ang aking puso at tanging larawan mo ang do'y nakatago.
New House, the New York Pizza. Well, ito nga, kinakain ko.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. Ang inyo pong napanood mga kapolitika ay ang promotion ni Sofronio dito sa kanyang magiging concert sa Dubai sa September 6. At sabi dito, Sofronio in DXP. Can't wait to continue sharing the experience to our kababayans in UAE. See you this September 6, 2025 Saturday at the World Trade Center, brought to you by Luxurious CBM House Events. His journey proves that no dream is too big and no voice too small. One dream, one concert, one unforgettable night. Sofronio Vasquez live in Dubai at the Dubai World Trade Center on September 6, 2025. Samantala, pinasalamatan rin ni Sofronio ang kanyang mga nakasama dito sa katatapos lang niya na concert sa Stanley Theater sa Utica, New York. I had the chance to capture some moments from the meet and greet with our VIP guests after my concert at the Stanley Theater. They were all very sweet and patient, waiting for their turn. I wish I could spend more time with everyone at my next concerts. Thank you Sydney, Stairlace, and Shai for making it more special for them. Binahagi rin po ng WKTV News Channel 2 ang kanilang behind the scene bago yung concert ni Sofronio dito sa Utica, New York. Here is a behind the scenes look at the Stanley Theater on Saturday where the Voice winner Sofronio Vasquez took the stage. The show opened by Ryan Quinn, a Clinton native and season 10 contestant from the NBC singing competition. Meron pong picture si Sofronio Vasquez kasama ang kanyang mga kaibigan na kumakain ng barbecue dito sa isang Korean restaurant.
The last time I played the Stanley was 2017. Thank you so much.